Guys, come here. You know what time it is? It's simple drinks time. My name is Johnny and today we are making another margarita. It's called Margarita Azul. It's quite an interesting recipe, a very cool combination of different flavors. It should be fun to make, it should be tasty. I'm expecting it to look really cool, so without further ado, let's make a Margarita Azul. So, like with every margarita, we are starting with tequila, of course. 60 mils or 2 ounces. And this cap is not working. Now we need fresh lime juice, 30 mils, 1 ounce. One more. That's it. Perfect. The recipe says 1 ounce of triple sec, but I'm going to use Cointreau. Just because I can. So 1 ounce, 30 mils. Cointreau or triple sec. Now we need honey, 15 mils, half an ounce. And last ingredient, blue Curaçao, 15 mils or half an ounce. Now we need ice. And we're going to give it a good shake, 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Ooh, smells nice. Now we need a rocks glass. Fill it with ice. And we're going to double strain the cocktail into our rock glass over fresh ice. Garnish with the lime zest. Give it a squeeze, a little twist. Just put it here on the side. And that's it, ladies and gents, Margarita Azul. Cheers! Oh wow, what an amazing combination. This is so tasty, so refreshing. Another mix between sweet and tart, and you get that smokiness from tequila, from agave. It's absolutely amazing. It's tasty, it's delicious. It's so good, it's so refreshing. It's not too sweet, it's not too tart, it's perfectly balanced, and I'm pretty amazed, to be honest. This is amazing. It reminds me a little bit of Blue Mezcalita. It's a cocktail I did on the channel and it's absolutely amazing. So if you like mezcal, I will leave a link to the video in the comments below, so make sure you check it out. It's a cool cocktail and it's a cool video. It's good. That's it, ladies and gents. We made a Margarita Azul. Beautiful cocktail, 5 ingredients, delicious, refreshing, tasty, both sweet and tart, smoky from agave, from tequila. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Like I always suggest, try it, try to make it, and let me know in the comments below what you think. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and come on, you can do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you real soon in the next video. Bye bye.